So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the next day on GBP JPY. So if you've not subscribed, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You'll find a link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So let's go to our 4-hour time frame and see what market is currently doing. You can clearly see that market is currently ranging here. So this is our resistance level here, and here is our support level, which is below resistance here and our support level below. So once market comes to tap our support level, we tend to see it come back up to tap the resistance level. So this is exactly what GBPJPY is currently doing. We will continue having that bullish move till it comes to tap a level of 200. So guys, our forecast on GBPJPY is a level of 200. So we are currently trading at 199. So we should expect that continuous movement to the upside till it tap a level of 200. So we should be expecting a bullish move for the next day on GBPJPY. So we should be expecting something like this: higher high, then the higher low, higher high, then this is the higher low. The higher low has played out. Now we should be expecting a new higher. So basically, our forecast is a level of 200. Once it taps 200, I'll be giving you guys an update in the Telegram.